before we came here, Peter showed me the Ferratas and I said there's no way I'm ever doing that because I have a fear of heights. And then I went nearly up the Big Sur, but we didn't have safety gear, so it was a bit too gnarly for me.
Just look at this video right now. This is where I was yesterday. I went and did the Via Ferrata without safety gear.
Which is so gnarly.
Not recommended.
You should definitely have safety gear.
But I don't know, it wasn't that hardcore.
Not for a mountain goat like you, but for me, someone who's not completely confident with heights, it's probably better to have your safety gear.
I would concur. So anyway, today we've got all the gear. This episode we're going to call Camilla all the gear and no idea. And we're going to go to, what's the waterfall called?
It's called the Fanes Waterfall. So it's
Fanes, or is it Fanes?
Fanes. So I'm not sure how it's pronounced, but we're pronouncing it Fanes Waterfall as a very Australian person. Apparently it's beautiful. There's a ferrata called the Giovanni Barbara Ferrata, which takes you all the way underneath the waterfall and up. You climb up and around, and it looks amazing. So it might test us a little bit. There's rain today, so it's not the best conditions, but we're doing it anyway.
Hopefully Camilla's confidence just goes sky high, or it might come rushing down like the waterfall. We'll see what happens.
Watch this episode to find out.
All right, let's get going. The clouds just rising up through the valley.
It's like if you were watching a scary movie, this would be the mood of the scary movie.
So where did your fear of heights begin, Camilla?
I don't know where it started. I think it's like one of those things that maybe you're just born with it, you know, well, and you just have to work on it.
Well, we're moving in the right direction. Like, you've gone up where you did yesterday. You were almost at the top of the Grand Sur.
Yeah.
Only another 20 minutes, you know.
Yeah.
I went up without gear because I was just like, I just need to get up there. And, you know, you did pretty good, but, you know, we're back again today and it's a whole nother challenge.
And that is the beginning, right there.
Do you want to go first or second, Cammy?
Second.
All right, here we go.
First steps in. Woo!
Giovanni Barbara Ferrata. How you feeling so far?
I'm okay so far.
So far, so good.
We're literally coming right up to the waterfall right now.
A bit more exposed up around the corner here, but we'll see.
If you're expecting to come here and not get wet, you got the wrong idea. Look at that. How do you feel about being under this waterfall?
Good. It's the edges. The edges freak me out.
But look what's right next to us, an absolute torrent of water. Now this is what you call wet. Oh, you come out into this beautiful canyon. When you add rain to the situation, it definitely makes things a little bit more exciting. Alright, we're back on the cabley, boys. It's a bit slippy. The rock's real slippy. There it is. Bars on the rock, off the edge. Woo. Yep. Come here. Oh, that was a bit technical. You're doing great, baby. This part feels real sketchy. Just get good feet in. Woo. Look at you go. Alright. Look where we are now. So good. that is how you defeat your fear of heights. Oh.
To the
viewpoint. We're heading back up the other side. Here we go. Woo! Alright, switch the clips. Nice. Long legs. Long legs pays the bills.
Basically doing the splits here.
Look at the views. Absolutely stunning.
Home stretch.
Home stretch. From scared of heights to 3 Via Ferratas in one sitting is quite extraordinary.
I'm super happy. It's like one of those things that I was definitely nervous, I've got to say. I'd be lying if I said I wasn't nervous. But once you get into the zone and you're just focusing on getting through the next bit and setting yourself little mini goals,
one step
that
at
really
a time.
helps. Yeah, I recommend not looking over the edge when you get to those really gnarly bits, because Peter's like hanging off looking over the edge and I'm like, yeah, I'm just gonna focus on what I'm doing and not even look over the edge right now. Yeah, recommendations, takeaways. If you want to do a Via Ferrata and you're scared and you have a phobia of heights, make sure you make the decision for yourself. You choose to do it. Don't let anyone else decide. Find something you're comfortable with.
Don't let your boyfriend decide.
Find one that you're comfortable with. Start easy and one step at a time. Just, push yourself that little bit further because it's worth it.
Well, from us at the waterfall at Fanes, we bid you adieu, adventure seekers. If you like this one, hit that like button.
Subscribe.
Do all the stuff. We're out here making this fun stuff so you can be inspired to do it yourself. And yeah, until next time, adventure seekers.
Keep seeking adventure.
Keep seeking adventure. Yeah.